Applying for FAFSA with no income might seem impossible, but stick with me, and I'll show you how to navigate it like a pro. First, head over to studentaid.gov and log in using your FSA ID, which you should have already created. If you haven't, there's a link to create one right there. Once you're logged in, start or continue your FAFSA form for the correct school year. The application will guide you through various sections. Fill out the student demographics section with your personal information, like name, date of birth, and social security number. Be accurate. The next crucial section is dependency status. Answer these questions carefully, as they determine whether you need to include parental information. If you are considered independent, you won't need to include their income information, even if they provide support. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you reach the income section, since you have no income, you'll enter 0 in the appropriate fields for both student and parent if applicable. Even with no income, you still need to report assets like savings accounts, checking accounts, and investments accurately. Report the current value of these assets. If you truly have 0 assets, you'll enter 0 in these sections as well. Next, you will move on to the Untaxed Income section. Report any untaxed income, such as child support received. If this is not applicable to you, enter 0. List all the colleges you're considering attending. FAFSA will send your information to each school you list. Finally, review your application thoroughly, sign it electronically with your FSA ID, and submit it. Make sure your parents, if required to provide information, sign their portion as well. And that's it. You've successfully completed the FAFSA with no income. Remember to check your student aid reports for any errors and make corrections promptly. Good luck.